In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print Google Tasks list. We'll walk through the exact clicks you need on a desktop browser, along with a few simple tips so your list comes out exactly the way you expect. First, open any Google app where the Tasks side panel appears. Gmail, Google Calendar, and Google Docs all work great. Once you're in one of these apps, look to the right edge of the screen for the side panel. This is the vertical strip that shows small icons for tools like Calendar, Keep, and Tasks. If you don't see that panel, click Show Side Panel at the bottom right to reveal it. Then click the Tasks icon to open your Google Tasks. At the top of the Tasks panel, you'll see a drop-down where you can choose which task list to view. If you keep separate lists for work, personal items, or projects, this is where you pick the exact list you want to print. Take a second to confirm you're on the right one before moving forward. Next, in the Tasks panel, find the three-dot menu to the right of Add a Task. Click those three dots, then select Print List. This is the built-in print option designed for tasks, and it formats your list cleanly so the printout is easy to read. Before the print window opens, here's an important detail. If you want your finished items included, expand the completed section in your list first so everything shows. Otherwise, only your active tasks will appear in the printout. Expanding completed makes sure you have a full record of what's done and what's left. When the print window appears, you'll see a preview on the left and settings on the right. Choose your destination. Select your physical printer if you want a paper copy, or choose Save as PDF if you'd like a digital version to share or archive. Take a quick look at the preview to confirm it includes everything you need. If the list is long, consider checking how many pages it spans so nothing gets cut off. There's also a quick shortcut if you prefer the keyboard. Press Ctrl+P on Windows or Command+P on a Mac to open the browser's print window. It works from the Tasks panel too, but using the Print List option ensures the layout is optimized for tasks. One final note. Printing Google Tasks is supported on desktop browsers. The mobile app doesn't include a print button, so if you're on a phone, switch to a computer when you're ready to print. That's it. Your Google Tasks list is ready to print or save as a PDF.